What if I told you that artificial intelligence is now affecting even your laptop prices? Yeah, you heard right. From the cost of your RAM skyrocketing by 50%, to Geo and Google's teaming up give free AI tools to millions, and Adobe reinventing Photoshop with the conversation AI assistants. This week's update show how fast AI is shaping the future, both creativity and technology. Hello, I am Tejas, and this is the AI brief. Let's dive into the today's top three stories. The first one is why RAM and SSD prices are soaring up to the 50% worldwide, and how AI is driving into it. Let's get this news. Is if your next PC build a smartphone upgrade feels more expensive, there is a reason. RAM and SSD prices have shot up by nearly 50% worldwide, and the main culprit is, you guessed it, AI demand. Right. Memory manufacturers like Samsung and SK Hynix, which control nearly 70% of the global RAM market, and now focusing on the producing high margin HBM chips. That's the same advanced memory powering AI servers for ChatGPT and Gemini. That shift means less production of traditional DDR, RAM, NAND flash, leading to a tight supply and rising prices. Yeah. Report said Samsung and Micron have cut down the DDR4 output and prioritizing newer DDR5 and HBM3 memory, mostly for data centers and AI training clusters. In India, a 60 GB DDR4 RAM stick that cost rupees 3000 last year and now sells for the rupees 5100. And server SSD prices up by 35 to 50%. Analysts warn the shortage could last 3 to 4 years because tech giants are investing trillions in AI infrastructure, making regular PC and mobile components harder to get, just like GPUs during the crypto boom. AI hunger for the data is now driving up the next major hardware shortage. Yeah. And our second news is, yes, and it's very interesting that Reliance enters a free AI race with Google Geo users to get a rupees 35,100 AI Pro access. Yeah, a huge move from India's tech giants. Reliance and Jio have partnered and joined forces to bring free access to advanced AI tools to millions of Jio users. Eligible users will soon receive an 18-month subscription to Google's AI Pro plan, designed to make powerful AI accessible to households, students, and small businesses across India. This partnership could put AI in the hands of over 400 million Indians, boosting digital inclusion and productivity. It's a massive step towards the making India one of the most AI connected nations in the world, not just consuming AI but creating with it. Yeah. The move comes a month after Airtel offered a Perplexity Pro free and its customer for 1 year, and OpenAI said begin rolling the complimentary access to its ChatGPT Go Pro plan India. At almost I think is a Perplexity Pro, Airtel and Geo and OpenAI with Gemini AI, both for are competing each other. What do you think? Just tell in the comment section. And our third most interesting news is Adobe a genetic AI changes creativity forever. And finally, Adobe just redefined what it means to the creative. And Adobe Max 2 2025 company introduced a new class of AI called a genetic AI. With this latest announcement, this assistant can understand your creative intent, remember your project context, and help you finish the design just by describing what you want to natural language. Think of it like having a professional designer built right into your app, helping with editing, layout, and publishing while still letting you stay in full control. Adobe CTO Eli Greenfield calls it a force multiplier for creativity, where AI becomes a true creative partner, not just a tool. The most ambitious project is a Project Moonlight, a system that connects all the Adobe apps through one intelligent assistant. It can understand your creative style, analyze performance across platforms, and even suggest the ways to grow your audience. In short, Adobe is building the future where you talk and AI designs. Yeah. So that's the today roundup. Hardware price climbing thanks to AI demand. Google and Geo empowering millions with free AI access. And Adobe building a creative partners that actually understand your style. Which of these stories blew your mind the most? Tell me the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the AI Brief, more daily updates from the world of artificial intelligence. I'm Tejas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.